do this activity in groups, but today we are going to do it as a class first. Choose 2 case studies. Role play how you will solve the conflicts. You can also identify other relevant scenarios and role play how you would apply 2 peaceful ways of solving conflicts. Before you went for midterm, we discussed about the ways of solving conflicts. And you're going to start with the case study 1. So listen to case study 1. While playing football, Alex and Sam argued because Alex assumed Sam would not run well because of his size. Sam is angry at Alex since he feels disrespected. Alex has realized his mistake and wants to reconcile. So how are they going to reconcile? So here the problem is Alex insulted Sam's size during a football game. And now you know Sam is what? Sad and what? Angry. But Alex feels bad. He feels bad and he wants to be friends again. So how do we fix this? We use what? Reconciliation. As we've been told there, forgiveness and what? Reconciliation. So we are going to use reconciliation whereby they are going to make up. So the solution is whereby Alex will go to Sam. Alex will go to Sam and tell Sam that is what? Sorry. Yes? He's going to say, I'm sorry. And then Sam is going to accept the apology. And then they are going to shake hands and be what? Be friends again. That is how you use what? Reconciliation. Then we have case study 2, whereby we have John and his father. And here, the way of solving the conflict is arbitration. So we have John and Esther. So John was burning dry vegetation on his field on a windy day. The fire spread over and burnt Esther's granary, where she had stored her grains. Esther is demanding compensation from John. John believes this was an accident, so he should not be held responsible. So here, the problem is John burnt grass on a windy day, yes? And accidentally, that fire, you know how the grass can just go by the wind, yes? And it went and burnt what? Esther's what? Food in the store, right? In the granary. So Esther wants money for damage. Esther wants money for the damage, right? But now what John is saying is saying he shouldn't pay because this was a what? An accident. It was an accident. So how do we fix it? We use arbitration. So we have a leader, a different person who is going to come and what? Arbitrate. So we have we have a leader who is going to decide. We get a third party who is going to decide, like a leader. Here, the leader is, we go to the village chief. So both of them, they go to the village chief. And then what the arbitration is, whereby the village chief is going to listen to both sides, right? And he's going to make the final decision or the final choice. Even though it was an accident, John was careless. So what he's supposed to do, he's supposed to help in rebuilding the food store, the granary. And then he's going to help in rebuilding it, and he's going also to help pay for the lost food. So what he's going to do is going to pay half of the food. And then both will agree to follow what the chief has said. So that is how arbitration works. You get a third party. So you decide that you're going to help. They help Esther in rebuilding her granary. And then he pays for the half of the food. It was an accident, yes, but also John was careless. So that is case study 2. So we go to case study 3.